Hello and welcome to FxMarketStrategy. So today we're gonna go together step by step to see how can we log in and purchase one of the plans step by step. So the first thing, you're gonna type the website name FxMarketStrategy.com. Then the screen is gonna show up like that. Then if you scroll down, you're gonna get this. Then if you go further down, you're gonna see trading systems. If you go further down, you're gonna see indicators and panels. If you go further down, you're gonna see expert advisors. So we're gonna see now how can we go to one of the plans. First of all, you're gonna sign in. So you click this top right sign in. You're gonna have sign in and sign up and subscribe. Then you're gonna go sign up as a new. So you're gonna type in your first name, last name, email address, and you're gonna choose a password. After you do so, then you re-enter your password, then you register. Okay, once you have this information logged in and you have an account, then you will be signed in. Then the screen is gonna show up like that. Okay, then you're gonna go to one of the plans. So we have a 1 month plan. It's $49. You get 1 month premium subscription. You access all premium systems. You have weekly updates, videos, and you have continuous support. Then you have the 3 months. You get 33% discount. 6 months, you get 40% discount. You have the 12 months, you get 58% discount, and that's a really good value package. What does come with this package is you get access to all the premium systems. So you're gonna get access to all the trading systems and the custom indicators and expert advisors and all the updates in the system. Okay, once you subscribe to one of those plans, so you click subscribe, then you select the plan and you select the payment. So let's say PayPal, like that one. Then you pay with PayPal. Then you will be updated right at the top here. Okay, then you're gonna, after your payment is gone through, you're gonna go to setting. Then you're gonna find here this account setting. So the email address here is gonna show up. If you want to change your email address, you're gonna go change your email address. If you want to change your password, you're gonna go change your password. Then you have subscription setting, which is the last one, is gonna show up if you have 6 month plan, 1 month plan, 12 month plan, like that. Then if you go to the middle one, which is very important, is gonna be the Metatrader setting. Then here you have to put your account number. So if you are with IC Markets or XM or Forex Time or AvaTrade or any other broker, then you put the account number here. Then okay, then this account number, every time you download something, is gonna only work in that account number. Okay, so it will be unique to that account number. Then after that, you're gonna go to the home. Once you put your account number, you're gonna go to the home here and you're gonna come down right here. Then you're gonna click to whatever one you want. So Advanced Profit Cloud Oil System, you're gonna click on it. Then you're gonna see this download. Okay, then so you click download here and you're gonna see it shown up right here, Advanced Profit Cloud. Okay, so you open that one. So wherever downloaded, you just take it a cut and place it in your, make a new folder for it in your desktop. Place the folder in your desktop like that, then you just extract it. So it will be extracted here. Then you're gonna take this copy. You're gonna open your MT4 here. So we're gonna go to File, and you go down to open a data folder. Then you go to MQL4. Then after that, you go to indicators. This is gonna open like this. Then you just Control V here, or you paste it right here. You click paste. Okay, then it did come here. Then you close that one and you close your MT4. Then you open it again. Then when you choose from the custom, as we have seen that to choose the advanced profit cloud oil, it's gonna show up like that. So you can do a little bit of modification to make it look cool. So you go to properties here, and then you just go here. This period separator and grade you just take off. It's gonna make the chart look better. Okay. Then here, if you go to color, if you wanna make the background white and the foreground you make it black, you know, then the chart is gonna look much better. Okay, so you can see the APCO system has been installed in your computer. For other systems, the same thing. For AGB, for APCO, also for indicators. That's how you can install the system. As you can see, is easy, is not complicated. So please, if you have any trouble installing the system in your MT4, just send us a message and we're gonna help you through. Okay, thanks a lot.